Hello.
Hello, good morning. Hello, everyone. This is Jessie from APK Pump. Now we are in our workshop of submersible sewage pump. Today, I will show you the assembling about our submersible sewage pump. Now you can see around about our workshop of the sewage pump. Okay, let's go. Uh, First of all, let's to see the winding of the motor. You can see this machine. This machine is the winding machine. You can see our worker make the copper wheel, copper wheel, copper wheel, and make it in the make it put it on the machine, and when the machine work, it will winding the copper wheel. 它打不转。机器不运转。好。And you will see all of our copper wheel are 100% copper. Most of the copper is very soft. The copper is very soft, and you will see it 1%. Well, it's 100% copper wheel. And you can see this. The worker mix the mold together because they need to fix the machine. So they need to assembling the mold together in order to revamp the copper wheel. Hello, you may be just coming into our living room, and now we are just make some process before we open the machine. So please wait for a moment, and just wait a moment, and after all the okay, almost finished, and we will show you. Okay, and this is the finished winding，这种是新的，这个是已经完成了。Oh, now we will open. We will going to make a new winding, and we will show you how the winding machine work. Just wait a moment. Hello everyone. If you just come into our living room, please we are introduce you the winding machine of our submersible sewage pump. Now it will work. All of the winding machine. All the winding machine is working now, and you can see it's working. And maybe after a few minutes later, the winding will finish, and you will see this winding. This is a copper wheel. 我的很多。And you will see the copper wheel is almost finished. After that machine, it will become this. 可以。 Now, after the winding, we were going to see the second process. The second process, you will see this machine, slot insulation machine. The slot insulation machine, in order to make the plastic couple, the plastic, the plastic, the plastic sheet, the plastic sheet. You know, it's not pebble, it's plastic. Maybe it's PE material, and make the plastic sheet into the stator. You will see the stator will make the plastic sheet into the stator. And after this machine, the stator will become like this. The stator will become like this. You can see the plastic sheet around the stator. And after this process, it will go into this one. This one machine called coiling heating machine. This machine is for the coil assembling. Coil assembling. First, they will first they will make the copper well into the machine mold. After this, they will put the mold into the machine. You will see first they will put some this into the, because it will keep the machine, when the machine running, it will more smooth. Okay, now this machine is working, and you will see it make the winding, make the copper wheel into the pump, into the stator. After that machine, you will go to the preforming machine. The preforming machine, 来照一下这个 preforming machine. Okay, and this machine is in order to enlarge the space of the wheel. You know, when after the coil assembling, maybe the space of the copper wheel and the stator is many large, but in many small. But this machine is in order to make the space of the wheel enlarge. Actually, for this steps, it will make totally 3 steps, because you know each of our stator are 3 phase. 1, 2, 3 phase. So need to make totally 3 steps, preforming. And after the three times preforming, the stator will becoming like this. Can you see it? The stator with totally 3 phase, with totally 3 phase winding. Okay, and now it's the next step. This machine is the middle forming machine. This machine is in order to shrink the will will together. You know, this is before the middle performer machine, and this is after middle performer machine. This is before the machine, and this is after the machine. After the middle performing, you will see this they are different, right? This one is very large, but this one will small and very small. This one two different. And after the middle forming machine, we will make the plastic pebble, the small plastic, the small plastic pebble into the connection point, into the totally six cores of each stator. Six cores, one, two, three, four, five, six. Six core from from the the connect. And make each three core together. Mix three core together, and totally become 哦，好吧，first make the three core together, then make the two core together, then make these two core. To, now final it's totally four cores. Total. 嗯，音凸线这是几根四根音凸线，3根音凸线一根还有那为啥感觉是4个头啊？3个头。这是3根音凸线，这是啥？这是剩下要一个actually it's totally three cores. It's for high temperature to make the coil together. 绝缘管 and you will see they will add the insulation pebble into the coil. All the pebble is insulation. 哦哦哦哦 Actually, this is the three-phase connection point, and these three are each phase. Okay. Hello everyone, you may just come into our living room, and now we are in our workshop, our submersible switch pump workshop now, and now we are going to show you one more step. This is a coil lacing machine. The coil lacing machine is to fix the well together by lacing them. This is the before the lacing, and this is the after the lacing. 哦，this is before the lasing and after the lasing. You can see the white, yeah. And after the coil lasing machine, we are going to the final perform, final form machine. And in order maybe after some steps, maybe the winding is not very close, so it will make the winding closer. And the last steps of the winding is testing. You will see. We test the data at the machine totally three 308 watt, 80 watt, 380 watt. Uh, and you know, this walling, this wall, this wall, if it's not uh if it's not good, the wall, this machine will walling, but this one seems very good, so everything goes well. Okay, after the testing, it will become like this. So we will make sure every rotor, every stator is good, in good quality. Oh, now the now almost the stator processing are finished. And we will go to see the whole submersible sewage pump assembling. Now let's go to the other working line. Now you will see the working line of our submersible sewage pump. We will finish almost the assembling, all the assembling process in this workshop. And let us show you the first steps of the assembling. You can see, first I will show you the different parts. You can see this one. This one is the chamber, oil chamber. And actually there are two bearings in the chamber, but just you can see one. Inside is another one. Also the O-ring, this one, this black one is the O-ring for the oil chamber. And this is rotor. Can you see? But this small because it's just 1.5 kilowatt. And this is another bearing in the top. So for for the pump, there are totally 3 bearings. In the top is 1, in the bottom are 2. So totally now finished. And it will assembling. Our work will assembling the small pump for you to show you. And now you will see the stator shell, the stator shell. You can see the copper wheel, the whole stator, and the pump shell. And make the oil chamber, uh, make the pump shell together with the oil chamber, and tighten some screws. And you can see this. Oh, that's it. Tighten the screws by the motor. Tighten the screws. And this is a mechanical machine, mechanical seal. Totally, it's two end mechanical seal. This is the first end. This is the second end. Totally two end mechanical sealing. So it can sealing both this side and this side. Now our worker will seal one side. This side is the oil. We're sealing the oil chamber by the mechanical sealing the oil oil chamber. Okay, this is the oil chamber, sealing the oil chamber. And 是什么油啊？好 and add some oil on the top of the root of the shaft in order to 哎呀，这个要上什么？哦，because if they add this oil, the mechanical seal will go inside much easier. Hello everyone, if you just coming to our living room, and we are introduce you about the submersible sewage pump assembling. Now our worker is assembling the mechanical sealing for the oil chamber. He put the oil. He makes the oil in the mechanical seal in order to assembling the pump shell much easier. This is the pump shell, and you will see the other end of the seal is inside the pump shell pump case. And assembling the pump case together with the pump shell, the motor shell. So you can see totally three parts of this pump. This is the motor part. This is oil. This is the oil chamber, and this is the pump case. And after later, you will see our impeller will assembling in this side in the inside. The impeller will go inside the pump case. Now they are tighten the screws. Hello everyone. Now we are assembling the submersible sewage pump. You know that you can see this sewage pump is very small. It's just 1.5 kilowatt, and our worker is tightening the screws now, and we may need to wait a few minutes. And you will see there are totally three parts. We have been make the three parts together: the motor part, the oil chamber, and the pump case. And this is the outlet of the submersible sewage pump. And this is a small sewage pump, so the outlet diameter. This is the pump outlet. Now, the main parts of the submersible sewage pump is almost finished. Now, 这是上杆吗？这是啥？哦，对对。Now, our worker is assembling the upper bearing chamber. Upper bearing chamber. This upper bearing chamber in order to seal the motor, the pump motor. And now it need to seal the the connection wind. The connection. This is three connection well. Seal the well. Seal the volume. Now they almost seal the seal. The wells, the connector well almost sealing finished, and he will add an O-ring. Add the O-ring for the upper bearing chamber. Now we will with the outlet wheel. Wow. Wow. Totally three costs. Just as we mentioned in the last steps, totally three costs, and make the keeper. But in order to keep it safe, we add the ground well. This is this surface well, and this is the ground well, and make the connection point together. This steps is very important because it's not connect very well. The water will go inside, will go into the winding. So this is very important. If if the connection mass is not very well, uh, when the pump working, the water will go inside the well and then go inside the motor, and the motor will easy burn. Use the insulation tap and totally make two two layer insulation. Two layer. One layer is by the tap, and then use the insulation tap, small insulation pebble. The yellow one is the insulation tap. First, make it together, then use the white one. White one is the small insulation tap. Insulation and 这是什么呀？这是啥？接地的是吧？And this is you will see the yellow the yellow and half yellow and half green one. This one is the ground well. In order to keep the safe when the pump working. Now you can see they are assembling the upper cover for the pump. This is the upper cover. Tighten the screws. Maybe you can see every upper cover have this mark. Come close. This this is a tur. This is a tur. 方向怎么说？turret. Now the pump almost finished. We will test the water pressure for the pump. Uh, the testing pressure is 3 bar. And actually, this testing is by air, air pressure testing. 气压 air pressure testing. This machine will make the air into the pump. After the pump full with air, and we will make the pump go inside the water. Go inside water and check if there's anything not sealed very well. Check everything. Check every point. Check every point and confirm the sealing is good or not. You can see some sound. You can sound some noisy, and because this machine is makes the air make air into the pump, and then testing the pump under water. If there's no bubble, means all sealing are good, and the testing is, yes, you will see there's no bubble. There's no bubble from the water, and means this pump is sealing very well. But if there's some bubble from the water, it means the pump sealing not very well. Need to back to the assembling work line and check it again. After the air pressure testing, we'll go the next assembling steps, assembling the impeller, the pump impeller. First, you will see the pump impeller, because this is a small pump, so the impeller is very small, and all of the impeller are balanced. You can see the hose, and for switch pump, all they are two channel, two channel impellers. And assembling the impellers now, and you will see the nut, because the nut is in order to fix the nut. The nut is in order to fix the impeller on the shaft. Now the impeller is fixed in the half case. And this one, you can see this one is a pump almost finished. And this pump is a stainless steel shell. You can see this stainless steel, and this pump case and the upper cover is cast away. Okay, they tightened the impeller. This one almost very fixed the impeller. And now we will assembling the pump base. This is the pump base. We will assembling. It's the last assembling steps. Assembling the pump base. Tighten the screw. All the screws are finished tighten. Now they are the 这是干啥？这是充油了。Now they are adding the oil for the pump. Because this pump is the oil cooling submersible pump, so need to add the oil into the motor through this hole. Add oil into the motor in order to keep the motor cooling much well, when the pump working. This pump, our submersible deep well pump is water cooling, and the submersible sewage pump is oil cooling. So need to add oil. Now the last step is voltage testing. Now they need to connect the three coil with the testing machine, and we will test this tap at a very high voltage, almost can reach 500 voltage, because almost of our pumps are working in 380 voltage. Uh, oh, okay. And in abroad, almost the high voltage will reach totally 460 or 480. So we test the pump at highest 500 voltage. And now almost the assembling are finished and the testing finished. This one is whole pump. And after these steps, all the assembling are finished, and this pump will go inside. We will go inside this room for painting. But now the painting is inside, so we can't see it much well. So and after all the steps, the painting process is go into this door, and then painting in this whole room. And after the painting, it will go outside from this door, and then you can see this all the switch pumps are finished painting. You may see the one switch pump with the cast arrow upper cover, cast arrow pump shell, but the stainless steel materials motor shell. And this kind of switch pump is 55 50 不对 is 40 cubic meter per hour, and the hand is 25 meters, and the outside the outside discharge diameter of this pump is 55 millimeter. And all of these are submersible sewage pumps. The pumps are all for, and this is a stainless steel shell, and this is a cast arrow. This is a cast arrow stainless steel, and this submersible pump is 50 cubic meter per hour, and 13 meter hand. The power of this pump is 4 kilowatt, and this one
This pump is this pump diameter, outlet diameter is 80 millimeter. 好好，行。Now, let me show you our pump package. You will see this package, but this package is not very. This package is for the if we deliver the pumps in China, we will use this pattern this box, because this box is not very it's not very thickness. But if you order our pumps abroad, we will use very high sticks cable box. Now we almost finished all the steps, and you may see our whole workshop and the assembling. You may see the whole workshop, the assembling work line, and the stator work line, the stator work line, and the assembling work line. And after all the pump finished, we will also test the pump flow and the hands. 忘了让他弄一个测试。We will test the whole pump in this machine. This is the whole pump testing machine. We will test the pump flow, rated hand in this machine. But today, since the worker is not here, so we can't see the testing process. But all the finished, we will test the machine. And you may see there are some pumps finished in there. And this one is a very big sewage pump. You can see the outlighter. The outlighter discharge is very big, right? Let me see this pump is very big. The rated flow is 500. Is totally 500 cubic meter per hour, and this pump hand is 16 meter. This pump is the power. The pump. 多少钱啊？看不到功率。看不到功率。This pump is very big. The rated flow is 500 cubic meter per hour, and the hand is 16 meters. And you can see all the package for the pump delivery. Also, you will see there are some pipeline pumps. This is also small pump. This pipeline pump is 50 cubic meter per hour, and uh, and 12 meters hand. The power of the motor is 3 kilowatt. And these pipeline pumps are voltage tap, volt, volt, vertical pipeline pump. Okay, now all this workshop we almost look around, and we will finish the living room, and maybe next we will see you in another workshop. So bye for now, and welcome to watch. Welcome to see more products in our website. And if you are interested in our submersible pumps or submersible sewage pumps, welcome to send us inquiry. And all of our sales managers and our engineers are glad to help you, and wish you will enjoy our production and our service. So see you. Bye bye.